2 brackets on the top of window, another 2 brackets on the bottom of window. It comes with a built-in motor, power cable, and a solar panel connector. Connect the motor cable inside the shade body. Stick the solar panel behind the shade, on the window glass where it can get sunlight, with the black side facing out. Mount the shade onto the brackets, connect the solar panel cable, and secure the bottom rail onto the lower brackets. Attach them to both sides and secure with screws. If it looks slightly tilted, use a flathead screwdriver to adjust the small white screw until it's even. Done! Your Keego Skylight shade is perfectly installed.